Explain a teen sensation. At the mere click of a finger, his likeness floods the net, and his acts trend at an all-time high. It seems hard to believe that this young man was once a laid-back teen, content with just hanging with his friends and skating on his longboard. Daniel Padilla, welcome to the world of celebrity. Daniel's roots are in the world of entertainment. His mother, Carla Estrada, was a teen actress and a singer. His father, Romel Padilla, is the brother of the famous action star Robin Padilla and an actor. Carla was 19 when she had Daniel on April 26, 1995 in San Juan City.
I had him I was 19, so hindi talaga pa ako masyadong mother nun. So, since my mom was with me, lumaki yan sa lola, basically. Kasi ako, after ko manganak sa kanya, balik na naman sa trabaho, ganyan-ganyan.
Daniel lived with his mother and grandmother.
First time na nakita si papa niya inside Muntinlupa, dinala ko, kasama ko si Robin.
Those times, no, medyo ano ako nun naka-orbit. Alam mo na, eksakto yung kita naming unang beses, nasa loob ako ng kulungan. No? Actually, sa picture muna. No? Yung first dalaw ni Carla, may dalang picture pinakita sa akin. So sabi ko, wow, ganito na ba kalaki? Ganun. And then the next dalaw, kasama na si DJ.
For Romel, who was in prison for illegal possession of firearms, meeting Daniel for the first time was an emotional moment.
Hindi ko siya nakita nung lumabas yan, hindi ko siya nakita sa ospital. And then, maligaya ako dahil kahit naging ganun yung nadaanan namin ni Carla, andun siya. Especially yung time na nandun ako sa kulungan.
Carla says she never planned to keep the identity of Daniel's father a secret, nor did she want to withhold the truth about his father's legitimate family.
Lahat yun sinabi ko kay Daniel. Wala akong ipinagsinungaling. Kaya siya, kahit na ganun ang sitwasyon, confident siya. Kasi I think, number one, importante yun na dapat manggagaling sa'yo, kesa yung iba yung magsasabi sa kanya, kawawa, biglang, ganun ba? Hindi ko alam yun. Hindi niya alam paano niya pagtatanggol ang sarili niya.
Daniel was a quiet toddler, unlike his brother JC, who was a year younger and definitely more gregarious.
Actually, kasi isang taon lang yung gap nila nung younger brother niya. Dito, nung bata, sobrang tabatsoy. Kasi merong mga gathering, si Carlito, ang sobrang lovable. Kasi Daniel, lagi lang siyang nasa likod. Oo. Pero happy na siya na yung kapatid niyang pinagkakaguluhan. Pag sinabi ko, anak, can you sing for mama? Ganyan. Hindi niya gagawin yan. Tapos minsan marinig ko na lang siya, kumakanta-kanta siya sa likod ng door.
As a kid, Daniel shunned the limelight.
Totoo yun, hindi talaga ako kumakanta sa harap ng kahit sino. Hindi ko kaya. Sobrang, kahit ano talaga, kahit umalat sa harap nila. Kasi si mama hindi mo pa ate-ate ko niya. Tapos, si JC yung talagang ano sa pictures, grabe yun. Pag pinaarte, arte yun. Kakanta. Sa mga picture niya, sobrang komportable siya. Lahat ng picture niya, nakahubad lang siya. Si JC yung kapatid ko, nakahubad siya, nakaganyan siya. Ang dami. Tapos sa mga picture ko, nakaganyan. Parang kala mo bading na bata. Ganun.
Tatawagin siya ni mama para ipakilala sa friends niya. Hindi siya tatago lang siya, ganyan.
Daniel is the eldest of 4 kids. His siblings JC, Maggie, and Carmela describe him as a loving brother.
Si Kuya, ano siya sa amin, protective siya sa amin. Ayaw niya nang may nambubuli sa amin na iba, parang gusto niya lahat kami safe, ganyan. Tsaka, sweet siya.
Up next, Showbiz, the first big conflict between Daniel and his mom. And Daniel refuses to listen.
Wala akong pakialam sa artista sa kahit anong tungkol sa TV. Pakialam ko lang Cartoon Network.